Hey, what's up YouTube? Do you have a wooden cutting board that's looking cracked, dry, or just kind of worn out? Well, follow me and I'll show you how to revive it. And keep it good for next time. First step is to wash it. Just with soap and water. Nothing too abrasive. After you've washed it, we're going to dry it vertically in the drying rack to get all the moisture off. You can speed this process along by drying it with a towel first. Now this treatment won't work properly unless it's applied to a dry cutting board. So you're going to want to let this sit overnight and take care of the rest of it tomorrow morning. After letting it dry overnight, you're going to use some food grade mineral oil. In this case, I bought this one a number of years ago and have just been simply refilling this one as it gets empty. All you're going to do is take your mineral oil, apply it to the board with a lint-free cloth. I like to use the paper towel. And all you're going to do is let that soak in. Make sure you get all the edges. Once you've done the one side, what I usually will do is take another wooden cutting board, place that down so I can get the other side. This way, any excess that's on the other side will go into the other wooden cutting board. Once it's soaked in, you're just going to wipe it off with a clean and dry paper towel. If you have any tips or tricks on this, please put it in the comments below. Now I'll set this aside again in order to let it fully cure. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to let this mineral oil soak in for a few hours or overnight. If it looks dry, you can recoat it. In order to stay on top of this, you're going to want to do this about once a month. Now, some alternatives to the mineral oil would be beeswax or cutting board conditioner. Personally, I find this the most cost-effective solution. Anyway, if you like this video, please consider subscribing, like, or comment. Have a great day.